Good morning, listeners. Endrit here with your daily dose of Capital Markets Quickie. Today, we're taking a closer look at the U.S. stock market's performance from yesterday. Alright, so yesterday wasn't the best day for the U.S. stocks. The Standard & Poor's 500 dropped about 0.4%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell nearly 0.2%, losing around 70 points. The Nasdaq Composite wasn't spared either, shedding roughly 0.6%. The day brought some concerning signs from the labor market. The ADP report on private payrolls came in under expectations, adding just 103,000 jobs in November. This follows Tuesday's weak job openings report, which had initially fueled optimism about a possible Federal Reserve pivot to interest rate cuts. Speaking of rate cuts, the market's already pricing in about 100 basis points of cuts for next year. But, well, there's still a bit of skepticism. Some experts are cautioning that these bets might be a bit too optimistic. We might be setting ourselves up for a big disappointment if these expectations aren't met. That's kinda how the stock market functions. Now let's talk oil. Prices hit a 5-month low yesterday, driven by more signs of weak demand. West Texas. Intermediate crude fell by 4%, landing at just above $69 per barrel. Brent crude wasn't far behind, dropping over 3.6% to close at around $74 per barrel. And in the crypto world, Bitcoin briefly soared past $44,000. Retail investors are getting excited about rate cuts and the upcoming spot Bitcoin ETFs. However, Bitcoin has since pulled back a bit, coming off a 6-day winning streak. So that's the wrap for yesterday's market moves. A mix of caution and anticipation seems to be the mood on Wall Street. As always, we'll keep you updated on any new developments. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and remember to stay informed and stay smart about your investments.